Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're going to be installing the decked storage system. Now, for bigger projects like this, if you've seen these videos before, you know I need some help in the form of Corey. Corey! Corey! Oh, there you are, buddy. Okay, we're going to be installing this thing. We're going to take you step by step and show you how it's done. Are you ready, Corey?
Yep.
All right, let's do it! So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to drill holes in the bottom of your ammo cans. Here's why. Water is going to get into these things. That is very difficult to get out because the ammo cans are going to be inside of the deck system. So you're going to see two dimples on each one of the cans. If you look real close, look, Corey, see it? There you go. That's right. And you're just going to simply drill a hole through those. That's going to give you some room for water. So Corey, go ahead and drill it. Good work, Corey. All right, so we're going to start by taking a couple of our ammo cans and then lining them up with the C channel here. Now, this right here is going to be your back ammo can, and you can tell that because it's flat, kind of like the opposite of what Sir Mix-a-Lot likes, right? Back, flat. Ask your parents, kids, okay? And you're going to know that the C channel, the back of the C channel is going to have a square right here, okay? So you simply line this bad boy up with the holes in your back ammo can. And the cool thing about decked is they label each and every one of their parts that you're going to need to install this. So you pop open the box, and at first it might look a little overwhelming because you have so much stuff in there, but they actually label everything 1A, 1B, 1C, which is really cool. So you're going to take your 1A stuff and you're going to get going. Corey! Corey! Oh, there he is. Okay, so you're just going to be threading your bolt through here on this side. Then you're going to obviously be hand tightening the nut on the inside of the ammo can there. And again, you don't want to tighten it all the way. That's going to be for later on. Look at Corey's big muscles. Sexy. And of course, you're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Right, Corey? This part of the deck storage system is actually the vert. This is going to be the middle of your deck storage system, okay? And you're going to be able to tell which side is closest to the tailgate because you're going to have a hole for the axle right here, okay? Now, the part of the deck storage system that you're going to be laying on top of this is actually going to be labeled. It's going to say left, it's going to say front, very easy. And then after you've installed the ammo cans here, you're just going to be laying that part of the deck on top. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Nice. Next, we're going to be securing the deck to the ammo cans. And again, a cool thing about this is all of these packages are going to be labeled. So you have 1B for the back, you have 1C for the cab, and we're just going to be taking these bolts and putting them through each of these holes here and securing this bad boy on. Corey, let's do it. Yeah! Next, we're going to be putting the bolts into the vert here, and we're going to be using bag 1D. Next, we're going to be tightening the ammo cans to the C channel. Now again, we left those loose earlier. Now we're just going to be tightening those up. Next, we're going to be taking our axle that is found in the 2A package and sliding that bad boy inside. Then taking the nut and tightening that with our hands. Next, you're going to be doing the same thing with this axle found in the 2B package. You're going to be sliding that into the vert there and taking your nut and tightening it on just like you did last time. Next, with your front two factory tie downs, you're going to remove those bad boys, but make sure that you keep the bolts because you're going to use those bolts to install the bracket that's going to be found in bag 3A. Now, speaking of that bracket, there's going to be two clips there that you're going to install, okay, onto the bottom right there, and that is going to be used to fasten on the decked system. Now, Corey is going to use those sexy forearms to do all the work. There you go, big boy. Show them off. Next, we're going to be lifting half of the deck system that we've already put together into the truck bed. Now, you are going to need a friend for this. I don't have any, so I have Corey. All right, you ready, Corey? Let's do it. Yeah, it's not super heavy or anything, but if you want to grunt when you lift it, you'll feel more like a man. Ah! Beautiful. Next, we're going to be taking the J-hook found in J6 and attaching that to the tie down, right? Then we're going to be popping the top of the J-hook up through the middle hole in that ammo can. Bippity boppity boop. How sweet is that? Okay. Then you're going to be putting your black piece on, followed by your washer, and then your bolt. Yeah! Your nut. Next, we're going to be using the J-hook to attach the decked system to your truck by first taking the black piece right there, sliding that onto the J-hook like so. Beautiful. Then we're going to be taking the washer and sliding that washer on. Then finally, the nut. And screwing that nut on. Beautiful. Then, just tighten it all up. Next, you're going to be taking your two bolts that you found in bag 3B and threading them through these two holes right here that are going to line up with that bracket that you placed on the truck earlier. Now, it's very important not to tighten these things up yet at this point because you're going to want that slack and wiggle room when you put the next part of the decked in. Now that your second side of the decked is assembled, just like the first side, you're going to be getting a friend, or in this case, a Corey. Much respect right there. To lift it up, put it in the bed. Simple. Ready, Corey? Now remember, you're going to grunt when you lift this, okay? It's going to make you feel stronger. Ready? Here we go. There it is. All right. Yeah. Next, you're going to be installing this side of the deck the exact opposite of the way that you install. I'm just kidding. It's the exact same. Of course it is. I don't even really need to say it, do I? Yeah, just put it in the same way. Now that we have everything tightened on, we're just going to take this cap here and pop it into the hole. Then we're going to be taking the bolts found in the short 5C bag and just tightening them like so.
Are you loosening them? Are you tightening them back?
No, I was actually tightening them.
If we put your other hand on it. Use your strong hand. Maybe we don't get them a deep well. What size is it?
It's literally not doing anything.
No, it's not.
Are you lined up with a hole?
Maybe not.
Is that a 10? No, it's gripping.
Next, we're going to be working on the drawers. So take one of your drawers and you can grab these black channels here, and really it doesn't matter what side that you put them on because they have holes. They're going to line up with the holes on the underside. So make sure that you find your first hole first right here. Get you a Corey possibly to help you out by holding down your other side. Then you're going to take bag 6E and grab these guys right here, these backside nuts, and you can pop these in, and it might actually help you out to lightly tap it in with a hammer. Now, the last time that Corey used a hammer, he actually went to jail, so I'm gonna do this part right. God damn it. All right, this is just, yeah, this is gonna take forever and a day if I fuck around with this. Yeah. Like that? Is that how we're gonna be doing it? So I was unable to get that one in because I wanted to make sure that Corey knew what he was doing. So now that we know that Corey knows what he's doing, we're gonna pop this second one in, right, Corey? Right.
That side's done.
All right.
Same thing on this side.
Now remember everything I taught you with that hammer, Corey. Next, you're going to be putting your back corner braces onto your drawers in the corner. Now, all of the stuff that you need to install these guys are going to be in bags 6A and 6B. And you can use either bag for either drawer, okay? So you're going to take this one right here, this one with the big old shaft. You're going to stick it through the hole, and you're going to use these little guys, okay? Little guys in the bottom two holes on your brace, all right? Then you're going to grab your nut here and you're going to screw it on just like this, just saying hi. Hey, how's it going? What's up, bolt? What's up, nut? Just saying hi, just saying what's up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So after you've popped the two tiny screws into the bottom of your brace and the one large one into the top, you're going to see this black pipe right here. Now this isn't used for warding off muggers. It's actually going to be a brace that you're going to put. So you have one hole left in your braces. That should be on the top, the farthest away from the corner. So you're going to put it in the middle right here, and you are going to feed your bolt through just like this. All right, yeah. Now once you get this bolt into there, you can actually use the brace to screw it on here. Let's see, there we go. Just like this. Okay, yeah. All right. Next, we're going to be putting the wheels on. So you're going to find all of your wheels in bag 8B. And you're going to take this big old bolt here. You're going to put it inside of the wheel and then feed it through the shaft on the bracket. Yeah, there you go, Corey. Put it in that shaft. Yeah, all the way in that shaft. You can use an Allen wrench there to tighten that guy up. Next, you're going to be taking your springs found in bag 7C, placing those underneath this part of the handle. There's going to be a part that points inward on your drawer here. Then you're going to grab your pins and you're going to insert your pins into the outside of this part of the handle. You're going to take your pin, it's going to go through the middle part of your spring, but not all the way through, because you're going to be taking your handle here, all right, popping that inside, and you're going to see some grooves right here on the inside part of your handle. Those grooves are going to attach to the springs like so. Yeah, right there. Then in bag 7D, you're going to find these clips here. These clips are going to go on the inside of your pins. So you can pop the pin over here through the hole and then put these clips on the pin. Next, we're going to be placing the brace onto the drawer. Now, you can actually place this brace wherever you want inside of the drawer. We've chosen to place it in the middle because that's where you're going to get your most support. So you're going to take the couple of screws that you can find in bag 8A, and you're going to be placing those through the holes on the end of your brace here. Now these are actually going to screw inside of your drawer. Your drawer is not going to have pre-drilled holes, so it's going to take a little bit of effort you screwing those in there, and they're going to go ahead and screw themselves into your drawer. Now you see Corey with those big muscular forearms. That's how he got those. The drawer is going to go inside of your deck. Now the wheels are just going to be placed on your C channels here, and you're going to slide it on in. Beautiful. You're going to be lifting your decked drawer up. You're going to be taking your wheel there and popping it into the axle right there on the bottom of the deck. And you can use an Allen wrench to tighten that bad boy up. Next, if you purchase the optional lock kit for added safety, you're going to be installing that into this hole right here. Now, we did not, so we're just going to be popping the plug on found in bag 7E. Then we're going to be putting the seal onto the drawer. Now you have to be careful here because if you do it all willy-nilly, just shoving it on in, you're going to screw things up because this is going to be funneling your water out, but if you place it on the wrong way, it's going to be funneling your water in. So you're going to see some writing on there. It's going to tell you exactly what way to put that onto the drawer, and you're just going to pop it on like so. There we go. Perfect. No H2O is going to harm us, huh, Corey? That's right. Yeah, use that thumb. That's a big thumb. That's a big thumb. Now Corey is going to do the other drawer under my strict supervision. That's good, Corey. That's good. Then we're going to be using these screws from 9A to secure the plate to the top of the deck. Now, not only is this going to be a brace, it's also super nifty. It shows you screw and bolt diameters in inches and also conversions. Then he's going to be using the bolts from 9A to secure the bottle opener to the front of the deck as well. Who's your cute little buddy? Who's it? Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Well, that's going to do it for the installation of the decked storage system. Again, you can purchase one of these guys at MidwestAftermarket.com. Also, you could pick up the phone as always. Give us a call if you have any questions or if you'd like to order that way. Like, share, and subscribe to this video, and we're going to be back with more videos on the deck storage system and everything else. We'll see you next time. There's only one thing left to do, and that's take a little napski. Good night, everybody.